Very good morning, my dear students of class 11th. Act 1, Scene 2, lecture number 11, the speech of Ferdinand, line number 500. Ferdinand says, "Yes, faith and all his lords, the Duke of Milan and his brave son being twain. Yes, truly, all my father's lords, the Duke of Milan and his handsome son got lost in the wreck." Prospero said, aside, "The Duke of Milan and his more braver daughter could control thee." Prospero says, aside, "The Duke of Milan and his beautiful daughter could challenge you." But if now it were fit to do it, at the first sight they have changed eyes. Delicate Ariel, I will set the free for this. He says, Prospero says, "But now this not the proper time to do it. At the first meeting, these two have fallen in love with each other. Delicate Ariel, I will set you free for this." He said to Ferdinand, "A word, good sir. I fear you have done yourself some wrong." A word. To Ferdinand he says, "I want to have a word with you, sir. I am afraid that you have done wrong to yourself. Let me have a word with you. I want to say something to you." Miranda says, "Why speaks my father so ungently? This is the third man that ever I saw, the first that ever I sighed for. Pity move for my father to be inclined my way." Miranda says, "Why does my father speak so harshly, so rudely? This is the third man whom I have seen in my life." Herself, her father, and this is the third man, Ferdinand. "This is the third man whom I have seen in my life, and he is the first with whom I have fallen in love. May pity move my father. I wish May pity move my father so that he may look at this man in the same way as I do." Ferdinand says, "Oh, if a virgin and your affection not gone forth, I will make you the Queen of Naples. Oh, if you are unmarried and if you are not in love with somebody else, I will make you the Queen of Naples. I will marry you. I will make you the Queen of Naples." Prospero says, "Soft, sir, one word more." Aside, they are both in either's power, but this swift business I must uneasy make, lest too light winning make the prize light. Very good line. No. So fast, sir. Why are you in so hurry? I want to have one more word with you. Aside, he says, each of them is now affected by love for the other. But I must put obstacles, hindrance in the way of this rapidly progressing love affair, because if something is easily obtained, if something is easily got, it seems valueless. It seems valueless. So, say to Ferdinand, one word more I charge thee, that thou attend me. I call upon you to listen me. I call upon you to listen to me. You have usurped the title of the King of Naples, which you have no right to do. You are not the real king. You have usurped the title of the King of Naples, which you have no right to do. You have come to this island as a spy. He says, thou attend me, thou dost here usurp the name thou owest not, and hast put thyself upon this island as a spy to win it from me, the Lord on it. You have usurped the title of the King of Naples, which you have no right to do. You have come to this island as a spy to conquer it from me, to conquer it from me, the ruler of it. You want to be a ruler of this island. Ferdinand says, no, as I am a man. No, sir, I swear I am an honest man. I am an honest man. This is not my intention. Miranda says, there is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. Very important line. There is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. If the ill spirit have so fair a house, good things will strive to dwell within it. There is nothing evil that can dwell in such a temple. That is Ferdinand's heart. If the devil can have such a beautiful house, good things wish to dwell in it. If the devil can have such a beautiful house, good things wish to dwell in it. Prospero says to Ferdinand, follow me, speak not you for him. He is a traitor. Come, I will manacle thy neck and feet together. Sea water shalt thou drink, thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels, withered roots and husks, wherein the acorn cradled. Follow. Prospero says to Ferdinand, follow me, do not defend him, do not support him, Miranda. Do not support him. He is a traitor. Come with me. I will chain you neck. I will chain you, your neck and feet together. You will get only sea water to drink, and for food you will get fresh water, mussels, dried roots and husks with acorns. Follow me. Mussels means a kind of fish. For food, you will get fresh water, mussels, dried roots, and husks with the corns. Follow me. Ferdinand says, no, I will resist such entertainment till mine enemy has more power. No, I resist such a treatment unless my enemy has more power than me. Unless my enemy has more power than me, draws and is charmed from moving. He draws his uh, sword, draws and is charmed from moving, and is charmed from moving, charmed by prosper. Miranda says, "Oh dear father, make not too rash a trial up for him, for he is gentle and not fearful." Oh dear father, do not be too rash in judging him, because he is a peaceful. Prosperous, why I say, my foot, my tutor, put thy sword up, traitor, who makest a show, but darest not strike thy conscience, is so possessed with guilt. Come from thy word, for I can here disarm thee with this stick and make thy weapon drop. He says, what? Am I to take lessons from this my inferior? Am I to take lessons from my inferior? Raise your sword. You traitor, raise your sword. You make show of fighting, but you dare not strike. You dare not strike. You make show, only show of fighting, but you dare not strike, because your conscience is haunted by guilt. For I can disarm you with this stick and can make your weapon drop. Miranda says, beseech you, father. I request you, father. Prosperous says, hence, hang not on my garments. Go away. Do not hold me by my garments. Miranda says, sir, have pity. Sir, have pity. I will stand surety for him. I am the guarantor of him. And what happens after this, you will study in the next video. Thank you so much.